All right, this week I present to you dessert. And I don't mean chocolate cake and ice cream. I mean the concept of deservingness. There are certain things that you believe you deserve. There are certain things I believe I deserve. Well, what's the criteria that we use to determine who deserves what? That's the question in front of us this week. And in order to explore that question, we're going to have to bring some other concepts into our conversation. We're going to have to bring the concept of entitlement into our conversation. There are certain things you deserve, and there are certain things you're entitled to. And some of the things that you're entitled to, you might not deserve. And certainly some of the things that you deserve, you're not entitled to. And to understand those concepts and how they work, we're also going to have to look really carefully at the concept of fairness. It's a really interesting idea, fairness, because it's with us from a very early age. Shortly after we develop the ability to speak, we start complaining as babies that it's not fair. What exactly does that mean? How do we determine what's fair? And what does fairness even mean? What does it look like when we see an action or a situation and we say there's unfairness involved there? Well, how do we identify that? So that's what we're going to be exploring this week. You know what you need to do. You've got thought primer questions to answer. You've got some lectures and some quizzes and some reading, and you've got the discussion board and our lively discussion there. And as always, if anything comes up, just shoot me an email.